Hello students, as you all know, when you come from the third to fourth standard, when you grown up, what do you want to do? It is imaginary that how will you look after 20 years? You don't know. Even nobody knows about it. Then, what do you want to be in the future? What do you want to achieve? That is something you can decide for yourself. Some students decide it in the school time also in the 8 9 classes on what they want to be, but to achieve it you must be learn a lot. You will have to work very hard. Learning does not mean only that you are going to school. You all go to school, but it doesn't mean that if you are going to school then you can achieve something. For that you learn from everywhere. You learn from the society, you learn from home, you learn from news, or in the present era, we also learn from the mobile also in the Google. We are learning so many things which is going around us. Today, we will learn some GK questions which are needable for us. Today, do you know what is desert? I think most of the students know about it. But what is desert? A large area of land usually covered with the sand that is hot and very little water and very few plants. You all have seen might be somewhere the desert. Now, so which is the biggest desert? Think about it. Which is the biggest desert? Then I will give the answer. It is Sahara Desert and located on the African continent. Width is 1800 kilometer, means 1100 miles. Length 4800 kilometer, 3000 miles. Now the second question. You all have seen these type of mountains? Might be you have gone somewhere for tour. Okay. Now, which is the tallest mountain? You see that they are going on the mountain. Which is the tallest mountain? It is Mount Everest and the height is 8,848 meter. Now, see the cold places. So looking nice. Okay. Some students also go sometime for the tour to the cold places. We like it very much. Okay. About the cold places, one question is which is the coldest location in the earth? It is East Antarctica. Now, see the rivers. Here you can see some holy rivers also like Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, and see this green area nearby the Kerala. They are also very nice to see as a scenery. Okay. Now, which is the longest river? Yes, which is the longest river? The longest river is Nile. Okay. For the length, 6,650 kilometers. Now, see these waterfalls. You like it? Yes. Most of the students like it. I also like it. Now, which is the highest waterfalls? See, this is the highest waterfall and the name is Angel Falls. And see, what is the height of it? 979 meter. And depth downside 807 meter. Okay. Now, see the lakes. It is also about the water. Lakes are nice. Okay, can you know? You can give the answer of this or not? See, which is the largest freshwater lake in India. Largest freshwater is Lake Wular Lake. Okay, fine. The length of the Wular Lake is 16 kilometers. Okay, Which is the most populous state of India? See, so many states are there in the Indian map, you can see. But we want to know that which is the most populous state of India. It is Uttar Pradesh. Fine. We are coming our next islands. See these islands. Do you know what is the meaning of island? Island is that place which is between the water area. Means full side water and water is there. Only middle side some place is there where we can go, we can stand, we can see the other places. This is the island. Okay, related question is which is the largest island in the world? It is Greenland. And see next, from which place Chandrayaan 2 launched? You all have listened about it before some time. So we want to know about the place. The place is Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. And we will also give you the date of this launch date 22 July 2019. Now, see different type of birds you have seen around by you: sparrow, duck, hen, peahen, owl, parrot, and cat. Now, one question about the bird. Which type of bird lays the largest eggs? See, this is the picture of one bird which gives the largest egg comparatively others. The name of this is ostrich. Okay, 1.4 weight, which is the over 20 times the weight of hen's chicks. Okay, the next question is which country is the home of to the kangaroo? See the kangaroo, it has a pouch in which it keeps its baby. Who? Then, which is the country? It's home to kangaroo. This is Australia. Okay. The next is you have seen so many type of animals like water animals, plain area animals, land animals. So we want to know which is the largest animal. You can see this in the water. What is the name of it? Blue whale. And the height is 30 meter and the weight 55 to 165 tons. See, flowers. Everyone like these flowers? Yes, I also like. So many types of flowers are there. You can see they are looking so nice and the fragrance is also so nice of some flowers, especially rose. One question about the flowers. Which place is called the orchid paradise in India? See this flower orchid. But we want to know then which place is related and called the orchid paradise is Arunachal Pradesh. Next question about the see this flower different type of looking. See it is looking so different. Why? Okay, this flower I can give the hint to you. Might be you. This is very big flower, so wetted also, and smell is very dirty. The flower's name is Rafflesia and 100 centimeter in diameter. It is too big to keep it. Now and weight up to 10 kg. The smell, it look and smell like the rotting flesh. So because of its smell, it is not so good. We call it meat flower. Write without pencil. You can draw without colors and you can play games and something else you can get something information also either in the school or in the home. So we want to know that who invented the computer. See the picture. Can you guess who is this? This is Charles Babbage who invented the computer for us. Now, see, astronaut. You all have seen in some videos or some news channel somewhere that astronaut. Related question: who was the first man to walk on the moon? See the picture and try to give the answer. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Now, see, we are having so many type of languages in our world. Some speak English, French, German, Italian, or something else. But do you know that which is the most spoken language in the world? Means so many person, maximum person speak this language in the world. This is Mandarin, the Chinese language. Most of the person means maximum person in the world speak this language. And do you know how many? 1.1 billion speakers in the world. They speak the Chinese language. Okay. In the present time, we all are suffering with one disease, the coronavirus. Yes, you all know about it very well because just because of this disease is going on, we are here in our home and we are getting this type of way, the study. So, do you know the first case of coronavirus was identified in which place? Yes, guess. This is Wuhan, Hubei. And where is this Wuhan, Hubei? It is in China. So, this is the place. Now, what COVID-19 stands for means what is the full form of COVID-19? Yes, Co means corona, VI means virus, D means disease, and 19 means 2019. And you should know about it that which body part is affected by the COVID-19. See this picture and try to recognize it. Which is this part in our body? This is the part. It is lungs in our body which is affected by COVID-19. So we have learned some question. You all just read about it 2 times, 3 times. You can listen this video, then you can learn all the answers. And now some instructions that you all are listening day by day that what you should do with safety. For your safety, you should follow some rules like sneeze into your elbow, not at your hand. And might be you are touching something that after that you should wash your hands. Okay. Now, make distances. You know, the make distances means nowadays everyone is listening about this. If we are talking with someone, if we are not forcing to go anywhere, but if we are standing somewhere, we are talking to someone, then we should maintain the distance. And do you know how much distance we should maintain? At least 1 meter distance. So the virus will not affect. Okay. So students, just be safe in your home